In this video, I will show you how to quickly make a Cyberpunk style processing in Photoshop. With you as always, EditBro. Let's get started. To begin with, we will make the raw lines that will be used to make future metal implants. Select the brush and click the icon of the folder with the brush. Here, select Shape Dynamics and click Bend Pressure. The diameter is set to about 30%. Now, select the pen tool and draw the outline of our lines. Then right-click and select Throw Path. Select brush and be sure to check the box Simulate Pressure. Click OK and then right-click Delete Path. Next, on this layer, remove Fill to 0 and click twice. We turn on Bevel and Emboss, and then configure our lines. Now, create a new layer under the layer with lines to make a shadow. Since we have Cyberpunk, we need to make cybernetic eyes. To do this, I create a new layer and select the Color Overlay mode. After that, we will make highlights on the eyes. To do this, create a new layer, select a soft brush and set the white color, and we draw these white lines. You can make half of the eyes and then copy it to the other half. If necessary, you can create a duplicate layer to make the highlight look clear. Now I decide to add some yellow. To do this, I create a new layer. Select the overlay mode and draw with a soft brush. Now let's adjust our lines a little under the base. To do this, select the new layer with lines, press Ctrl+T, right click and select Warp. And now I found a picture from the guy's game. We adjust into size and use the mask to remove the excess. Now I adjust the color of our photo to match the color of the jacket and the lighting. To do this, I create a duplicate, select Filter, Blur, Overage. And I put the overlay mode and lower the opacity. Add a lot of light from the jacket to the face. Create a new layer, select Be Soft Light Overlay mode and draw the light. Now go to camera raw and refine the photo. Here's such a fast processing in Photoshop. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, I will be glad to see you. And with you was always EditBro. Let's see you.